Today's the day. So a lot of people have been asking me how I make these ram's heads and other animal heads. And this is a design which Bill Carter taught to me, and it was his dad who originally came up with this sort of style of ram's head. Loads of people make ram's heads, but this is sort of a very specific style, and me and Bill, we still sort of do them slightly differently, and you can tell, I mean, you can even tell Bill's and his dad's apart, and then you can also tell mine and Bill's apart, so we all have our own sort of characteristics which make our own ram's heads, but they all stem from sort of the same point. And so I've asked Bill whether he's okay with me putting this video out there, as it's not my design, it's his, and it's his family's, his dad's design, but he's happy with me doing it, so here we go. And I hope you enjoy the video, and maybe you can have a look and learn something about how we make this sort of style of ram's head. So we'll start working on the horns and just create a little isolation. So usually when I do this, I'll make loads of these at the same time. And so I'll be working several bars in and out of the fire, and I'll do this first step and then leave them all to cool down so that I can then come in and cut the two horns apart with an angle grinder, rather than trying to do it hot, as if you do it hot, you can get some sort of ragged edges and it's just not very neat. So I'll leave this to cool down, and then we can cut the horns, separating them. And we can go ahead and put that first bend in there now. Just clamp it in the vise. In time for the second bend. there's the face, very roughed in. Just got the eyes and the nose and the mouth marked. So we'll take another heat and cut those in nice and deep. Let's cut the mouth in a little bit deeper. Refine the nostrils a little bit and cut the eyes in. Separate the horns a little bit. And now put the eyebrows on. And finally, just dot the eyes, just the pupils in the eyes. You can see the faces coming together now. All the features are punched in, looking nice. We've got the two horns there, which we need to scroll up so they just sit to the side of the face. We could just bring that other horn in. Okay, I'll just quench it off, give it a wire brush, and then I'll show you it. That's it, you can see all the facial features there on the ram's head, just to bring it all in. You know, you can get this sort of almost cartoon-like ram forming rather than a realistic ram, although it is, you know, we try to keep it as realistic as possible and put as many facial features on there and all of them nice and deep and nice and sort of present in the face to create this nice animal. Anyway, hopefully soon I'm going to be doing other videos on other animals, which are designs I've come up with myself, taking Bill's design. You know, they all of these other animal heads that I make sort of stem from this ram's head, stem from this design, as this was the first animal head that I learned to make. And so again, thank you to Bill Carter and to his dad and their generosity in teaching me how to make this amazing piece of handwork. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm glad that I can show you how these ram's heads are made. And I'll see you on the next one.